What was the kicker? What happened?
So, you ever had the expression of like when people are doing math where they did the wrong thing but got the right answer?
They did the wrong thing, but got the okay. Yeah, I get what you mean by that.
Basically that. So like, the police may have up in like the report, but they still had they were still in the right legally to detain Zolo. So him fleeing sort of leads into all the other charges that were put on him.
I mean, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Once Dan trying to argue that he didn't, the whole MDT shit, I knew it was over. Once the conversation, once the portion of the conversation was talking about the circumstances around the actual issue, I knew it was done.
Mm-hmm.
But that doesn't go on my record, right? Because I'm a paralegal.
Yeah, and you went there for the verdict, so it doesn't count.
Oh, wonderful. Okay.
Yeah.
We
ended you in for that corrupt cop case.
Yeah, I got a question for you. Can you access as a lawyer? Can you jot down notes and shit on an MDT, or how do you manage all your cases? Do you do it?
We have to do it externally or use the phone, I guess.
Oh, okay, well, good thing I'm becoming a lawyer, because that's gonna change real quick, brother. Because I ain't doing that or that, brother. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you, my brother. I ain't doing that, my brother. Yeah. I need a clipboard where I can put all my shit down on one area so I can manage being a lawyer effectively, brother. That's gonna happen real quick. I'm not a lawyer, brother. You understand me, brother?
Yeah, that would be nice, being able to use the MDT to put down notes. But
oh, don't worry, yeah, brother. I'm gonna get to work on that, my brother. Now listen, what's going on with the case with the lady and the car? Was it a car crash? This is why
the robbery.
The robbery. I haven't. I contacted her briefly, but then I just got bombarded with other shit. What's going on with that?
So I'm just waiting on the police report, and then it should be good to go.
Okay, now I got another case for us. You know Queenie?
Yes, I met her the other day.
She got into an incident last night. We should probably FOIA the incident and see if we can poke any holes in their whole. She got ran over. Well, she did commit a crime, but I think she's trying to argue excessive use of force, because she got ran over and then beaten down when she posed no threat, according to her.
Okay.
So if we can, FOIA that. Let's take a look at the incident, see if we can poke any holes, and let's sue the PD. I think she also pled not guilty, so she's probably gonna want to see if she can get acquitted of some charges.
Good. I had a bench trial with Mr. K last night where they put out a warrant for him because his DNA was on a bag, and then he got arrested. And basically, the only thing they had tying K to the scene was his DNA on a bag, but there was someone else's DNA on it too, so it was easy, like reasonable doubt.
Yeah, I mean, it's class police. They think they need to piece together the whole puzzle, not just one piece, and then hope the judges do it for them. That's normally what they try and do, though, so I'm not surprised by that. Now, can you call? Can you do me a favor, Robin? Can you call Angel and tell her that I'm ready to be a goddamn lawyer?
Yeah, I can give her an update on the work you've been doing.
Yeah, maybe give her a call. Be like, he shadowed me with 3 cases. He actually helped me out with 2 of them. You know what I'm saying? He's been putting in a lot of work. He's trying to take a lot of clients. I think he should be a lawyer and get my license like today.
Yeah, I can try and put in that good word.
So I can do that right now, my brother. Come on, my brother.
Yeah, I'll give her a call. She might be busy. I've seen she's dealing with some martial stuff right now.
Okay.
I think she is busy.
All right. Well, I'll give her a call. I'll give her a call afterwards. But let's just try to jumpstart my license. But I got so many ideas for us. So we got to get this firm going. You know what I mean? You got to work for me.
She's calling me back. Hello, Justice Angel. Well, I just wanted to sort of give you an update on how Mr. Buddha's doing in terms of being a paralegal. Obviously, he was there briefly for the Zolo case, but he's also been helping me sort of behind the scenes for some cases I'm working on. So just wanted to sort of give the update, and he's been doing good work, and I think he's well on the way to being a lawyer. I don't know how long you are giving him in terms of this like probationary period, but just wanted to give you the update. A few more days.
Man.
Okay. Yeah. I'll let him know that. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now, are they gonna quiz me and ask me questions once I become a full lawyer? Like, how does that work?
So no, there isn't like a quiz you take. There isn't like a bar exam, but she did just say she wants to know that you can do it on your own.
Oh, come on,
So like
brother.
in
Come
the
on, my brother.
in the instance where someone like me isn't available, you'd be able to do it on your own.
Brother,
But I think
my first solo court case is going to go so well. I'm going to obliterate anything that stands in my path. You understand me? I got the confidence of an ox. Okay, once I get moving, nothing gets in my way.
I suppose, like, if I were to sort of critique anything, it'd probably be your paperwork because I've never seen any.
Atrocious, brother. I don't do paperwork. That's the problem here. I gotta hire paperwork. That's why.
That's typically what paralegals are for.
Yeah, well, you know, or partners, you know, and you know, fellow coworkers who are gonna join my firm. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So yeah, she says she needs to see you just a few more days. Yeah, so if I get any like cell reps in the time that you're awake, I'll give you a call. Obviously,
Yes,
but I
please.
understand you're a busy man.
No. Listen, any cell rep shit, any actual being in a court case shit, I will do right away. Obviously, you know, in the mornings I got so much shit I got to take care of in fucking Cyprus. But any cell rep or court case shit, I'll drop everything and head on over. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is the process of actually getting the license? Is it just a click of a button and I'm good? Is she going to ask me questions? Do I need to be prepared for something, or what do you think?
So like I say, like I don't think any of the other lawyers really went through any questioning, but they also went through a longer process. You're sort of getting an expedited thing.
How long of a process usually we're talking here?
For me, it took 2 months.
Oh, okay.
So I don't think that's going to be the case for you, but
yeah, but that means they're going to question the shit out of me, though.
I can come up with a sort of a cheat sheet for you to use if that would help.
Please, Robin, please, brother. I will love you until eternity, brother. I need a cheat sheet because I know exactly what they're going to do. They're going to be like, oh, Lang, since we're going to be giving you your license early, we got to make sure you're capable of being a lawyer. What is a reasonable suspicion versus whatever the else they talk about?
Yep, reasonable suspicion versus probable
cause. And I'm going to keep it a
cause.
buck with you. I don't give a fuck about any of that. I'm just good at yapping and making people believe my story. That's the kind of lawyer I'm going to be, Robin. You understand?
Yeah, that's completely valid. And that's why you have sort of partners and paralegals to help back up the, I guess the.
We're going to start the greatest firm the world has ever seen. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, give me that cheat sheet. I will pay you for it.
Yep.
And then from there, brother, hey, we're about to destroy everybody that gets in our way. We're going to have the greatest firm the world has ever seen, brother. We're going to bring back lawyers. Are going to mean something again. You understand?
I hope so.
Being a lawyer is going to mean something again.
I look forward to that.
All right. I'm your Padawan, but I'll also be your boss because you're going to work for me once we start the firm, brother. You cool with that?
Yeah, I don't mind being second fiddle.
Well, you won't be. You'll be the first fiddle. Don't worry about it. You'll be LeBron James. I'll be the coach. Where's Slick Rick?
I think I understand that. I'm not sure. I don't know if he's around today.
Okay, but he's going to be a part of this firm too. You know, we got to get anybody else think is a fantastic lawyer we should bring on board?
I'd say the guy that I'm working with on the cop case, Tony. He's pretty good.
Tony what?
Tony Long.
Tony what?
Tony Leung.
Tony Leung.
Leung.
Okay. All right. Who he roll with? You know what's his whole MO and shit?
He lives with me. He's a good lawyer. He's in the similar wavelength as me. He's a criminal defense attorney. He's not one to prosecute or anything.
All right. Well, let's bring him on board. Maybe we'll do some interviews. I mean, I'm hoping I can get my bar license come Monday, and then we can get the ball roll. You know what we should try to make as well. You know, and I know you think Suits is a show, but it's a real life documentary. We should actually mimic. What is the thing they did in Suits where they had to like plead their case to keep their bar licenses? Like, do we have somebody that manages all that kind of shit?
So like a bar review, basically.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, if a lawyer
like
gets enough
who runs all this shit, Robin? Who runs all this shit though? Is it a judge?
Yeah, Justice Adams.
Justice Adams.
Norman Adams.
Norman Adams. So what does he actually do for the bar?
He handles any complaints. He sets out guidelines. He'll be the one that probably gives out your license if Angel doesn't.
Okay.
Because right now there's the three justices. There's Angel, Adams, and Bailey.
Yeah.
And they've each got their own sort of part of the new government they're handling. Adams is doing the bar. Angel is handling the state marshals, and Bailey is handling the DOC, as well as doing normal judge work as well.
And they actively do this, yeah.
Yeah.
Or they like, you know what I'm saying?
Angel's been taking cases.
Because listen, we got an opportunity here, okay, Robin? We got an opportunity. We're gonna be lawyers, but we also gotta make sure that being enough lawyers is worth it. So we can do both at the same fucking time. You know what I mean? And we can hold these mother pricks accountable if we have to.
Yeah, we can. We can easily do that.
All right.
They're in government, so they can be impeached if they are derelict in their duties.
The people have the power, brother. We got to make sure everybody understands that.
That
Now,
they do.
The Queenie situation. Let's get that for you. Let me know when it's for you. We can take a look and see if we can build a case here. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have a number and I can call her and get a bit more details?
Yeah, she thinks I'm a full-fledged lawyer, by the way. So please, just keep up with the bullshit, okay?
Yeah, will do.
Whenever you're ready, 420-281-6817. 420-281-6817.
Okay, got that.
All right. And any shadowing that I can do today, please give me a call immediately, all right?
Cool, sir.
All right, Robin. Appreciate you, brother.